Hi, boys and girls. You just listened to a really good book, Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle, and it's really similar to that Brown Bear, What Do You See story. So it's very repetitive. In Brown Bear, it talked about colors, but in Polar Bear, it's about the sounds that the animals are making. So today we're going to do our very own retell. So you can use some things, whatever you have. I have a few stuffies here. Big shark, lamb. I have some puppets, little plastic puppets, little monkey, tiger. I have one that I cut out the picture. And I have one that I made. It's me. It's Mrs. Man. So we are going to do a retell. And I'm going to show you how I do it. And then you can figure out what you want to use and what animals you're going to use and the sounds they make. So here it goes. Lamb, what do you hear? I hear shark chomping in my ear. Shark, what do you hear? I hear monkey eeking in my ear. Eek, eek. Monkey, what do you hear? I hear a tiger growling in my ear. Tiger, what do you hear? I hear a frog ribbiting in my ear. Frog, what do you hear? I hear Mrs. Man in my ear. Mrs. Man, what do you hear? I hear children ribbiting like a frog, roaring like a tiger, eeking like a monkey, chomping like a shark, baaing like a lamb. That's what I hear. So there's my retell. Have fun doing yours and figure out what those animals sound like.